How do yantras play a part in manifesting faster? You spoke about yantras.
Yeah. So that is related to the question you raised. It's not easy for people to remember it. So there is a device for that. Since your mind will forget, Shreem Brzee, because the reason why most people, this is a very important point, just listen to it carefully. Most people, including myself, don't manifest because we forget. We forget. So what do? We need an automation, an automated machine that does the job for us. The yantra is that machine. So the mantra is meditating on your behalf. All that you have to do is just carry it and touch it, and then if possible do it candlelight, show a candlelight offer to the yantra. It will become more alive. Then it will be doing the job that you should be doing. That doesn't mean that you should not be doing that. I have this machine, I will turn it off and on, and that's not the case. The more you meditate, the more powerful the yantra will become.